Welcome everybody back to another Borderlands 4 Legendary Hunt, Vile Lictor edition. The liquor, the Vile liquor. He be licking her. So vile. So, I enjoyed this boss battle so much. Right? I was mad the first time, okay? Because he cut off Amara's arm, and I didn't like that, okay? You can't just be cutting off her arm. But he drops a few things, actually. He drops a legendary energy shield called the Super Soldier. He drops a blockbuster grenade ordnance. Okay? He drops the Ruby's Grasp and a class mod called the Blacksmith for Amon. Alright? We're going to try and get at least 2 legendary things for him. Alright? I don't know how we're going to do this. I don't know how long it's going to take, but you know how this goes. So make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos. Join the murder crew. I'm trying to kill it out here every day. So let's do this first run and then enjoy the speed up. Here we go. I really do like it. This is such a cool boss.
Have you come all this way just to die?
This is such a cool boss. Like, granted, I melted him. Like, I did. I melted him. And I still gotta figure out how to do this. Like, obviously, I guess the hands are really how you do this. Kill one of the hands and you're golden, right? Ugh. He's immune to something. I think it's radiation, which fair. This part's cool. This part is so cool. Like, I don't know what it is about. This is kind of like the second. Oh, I went down. I think I died here. I think there's nothing here for me to kill. Right? Oh. Oh! Hoo! Thank you. Thank you, Lickety Split. Okay. And I'm just gonna block it. Ah, nice.
Show me regret. Another crushed lab rat outlived its usefulness.
Oh. 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 Jump. I think this is better. I don't have my ability. Hold on. Yeah, that does hurt. Thank you for the blockage. Yeah. At this point, this shock weapon's better. Oh, I see. I mean, granted, I understand shock weapons are better, but at this point, anything else isn't great. Dang. Well, what do you think, chat? Do we win here? Oh, we're still alive. Yeah, we got it. Drop it. Drop the legendary first time. First run, go. Go, Blant. Nope. Alright. Cool. Fine. You know, I knew it wasn't gonna be that easy, so. It's alright. Next time. Let's see what we get here. Nope. All right, guys, enjoying the speed up. Bye. I don't know if this counts, chat. We got the Watching Phantom Flame pistol. It has midday zooming in acquires lock on target over time and firing zoom shoots. It's a Jacob's weapon though. What? And firing while zoomed in shoots the entire magazine? That's crazy, chat. Hold on. It's not what we're looking for. We did get a legendary weapon. Oh boy. Oh. Oh boy. Legendary pistol. We'll try that out momentarily. Let's get back to this. All right. Blacksmith, the Forge Knight class mod. Kill skill partially records all or restores all active Forge drones duration. For each active Forge drone, Amon gains increased gun damage and Forge drone damage. Alright? The Lord of the Blacksmiths keeps forging on. Love it. We got one. We'll do the. I have to like respec my character to use it, but I do miss Frieza and Butters, so we'll do that another time. Let's go ahead and get this next one in here. All right, yeah. Sell all that junk. Here we go. right, guys, we have got the Throne Double Cream Ruby's Grasp. Two pistols today. Grasp. Reloading the gun fires 2 homing copies. Okay. Alt fire, micro shotgun. Fire shotgun that deals 361 times 4 damage per shot. Okay. Let me go ahead and let's switch this because it's a pistol. We need to see it. Nice TDR. Reload. Whoops. Oh, yo, that's clean. All right, now that we've done this, let's go do a little showcase. All right, so this is the Ruby's Grasp, the Double Cream Ruby's Grasp. All right, so it says it fires 4 homing copies, but I feel like I saw more than that. So let's go ahead and see how I shoot. Ooh. Oh my god. Let's go. Now, I like that. A lot. Oh, I'm getting hit though. Nice. I mean, like, yeah, they are homing. I feel like you really gotta be there, you know what I mean? Unfortunately, oh my gosh, it doesn't exactly hit. I mean, it's a pistol, but it doesn't exactly hit too hard. Let's do the alt fire, because that's supposed to hit harder, right? I mean, look, that's the problem with the homing things. If you're like getting hit and you ricochet and you're towards the ground, look at that. Granted, that was my fault, right? Okay, yeah, okay, we threw it somewhere else. That's nice. Nah, okay. It has to be with no obstacles in the way, obviously. Obviously, with no obstacles in the way, it's okay. As far as damage, I don't feel like it really does well with these bulkheads. I mean, these are thunderheads. But look at that. All went down. Whoops. Alright, cool. Alright, so that was this. Just reload it real quick. Watching Phantom Flame. We'll do the zoom in, and it's Jacob, so it's got some criticals on it. It says it has a lock-on thing. Oh wait, you're not. A lock-on thing? Oh, it's locked? Oh! Ooh, chat. Okay, hold the phone. I understand Jacobs is crazy. Oh my god, that. So it is when you do zoom, you unleash the whole clip. You do a McCree thing, you know, pop. I will have to say, as much as I love that aspect of it, like this, all them hit. But I'm not exactly sure if maybe I don't know, like maybe we're dealing with someone who's not, you know, if this was a corrosive baddie, that'd be lit. Cause look, you see that? Look, I have no. I feel like even though you're locked on, you still have to, you still gotta aim, right? You still have to do some form of aiming. Like, they're supposed to be homing, I think. But that didn't look like homing, did it? Like, that didn't look like homing. That looked like the first shot was homing. It's a lock on targets over time. Cause like just doing this, like if you hit your shot, that the recoil on this bad boy sucks. It does. It absolutely is ass. Like without zooming, I don't feel like this does anything with them. Granted, they do have shields and armor. Fire is not the best for that, but the damage, like, obviously this has more damage, right? This is Jacob. Jacob is usually stronger. I don't know, chat. Like, I like this weapon just cause of, you know, the fan when you fan it, but it's just not good right here. It's not, like, it is not good right here because I feel like I easily, I'm not saying easily kill, but whoops, I guess I'll take the stairs. But that feels a lot better. Like, that feels a lot better than that pistol. Like, I can actually, like, yeah, it's all about accuracy in the end of the day, but at the same time, not really, because the damage isn't great. Like, for a Jacob's pistol, to be outbeaten by a TDR is... and I'm out of ammo. That's another thing. And you're out of ammo. You can only... Like, when you aim, you waste the entire clip. I have no ammo for this pistol no more. You see? So, all in all, I think TDR wins this one. The Ruby Grasp is better than the Phantom Flame, even though the Phantom Flame has a better name. But I do like the Double Cream Ruby Grasp. So, thank you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for another legendary hunt. Join the murder crew. Killing out here every day. Peace out, guys. Bye.